When it comes to boosting your home's curb appeal in Tysons, first impressions are everything. Whether you're getting ready to sell your home or simply want to refresh its appearance, upgrading your windows can have a dramatic effect on how your property is perceived. Windows are not just functional, they are a key architectural feature that can enhance the beauty, style, and overall aesthetics of your home. With the right windows, you can transform the exterior of your home, improve energy efficiency, and increase its value. Here's how to enhance your home's curb appeal in Tysons with the right windows. Choose the right window style for your home. The first step in boosting your home's curb appeal is selecting the right window style. Different window styles work better for different architectural designs. For instance, a modern home in Tysons may benefit from sleek, large windows with minimal frames, like picture windows or casement windows. These windows allow plenty of natural light to flood into your home while offering a contemporary, clean aesthetic. On the other hand, traditional homes or those with a colonial or cottage design may benefit from classic window styles like double-hung or sliding windows. These windows are timeless, offering a traditional look while still being highly functional and energy efficient. If you have a home with a unique architectural style, such as Victorian or Mediterranean, consider custom windows that complement the overall design. Matching the window style to the architectural features of your home ensures that the exterior looks cohesive and well thought out, which instantly elevates your curb appeal. Upgrade to energy-efficient windows. Energy-efficient windows do more than just reduce your utility bills, they also contribute to a polished and well-maintained exterior. Tysons homeowners understand the importance of efficient heating and cooling due to the fluctuating seasons. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you can significantly improve your home's energy performance while contributing to a greener environment. Modern energy-efficient windows come with various technologies, including double or triple panes, low-E coatings, and gas fills like argon or krypton, which help reduce heat transfer. These features help keep your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter, all while improving the insulation and reducing noise. Not only will your home look more updated, but it will also be more comfortable for you and your family year-round. Incorporating energy-efficient windows into your home's design adds value, reduces your carbon footprint, and boosts its overall curb appeal. These windows demonstrate that you care about both style and sustainability, something prospective buyers will undoubtedly appreciate. Opt for window treatments and details that match your style. Windows are a central feature of your home's exterior, so it's important to consider the additional details that can further enhance their appearance. From shutters to decorative trim, these small touches can make a big difference in how your windows contribute to your home's overall curb appeal. Shutters, for example, can add a charming and traditional touch to your windows, especially if you have colonial or cottage-style architecture. Choose shutters that complement the color and style of your home. Additionally, decorative window trim can give your windows a more finished, sophisticated look and can even be customized with materials like wood or PVC to suit the design of your home. Choosing the right window treatments, whether it's shutters, blinds, or curtains, adds an extra layer of style and personality to the exterior, helping your windows stand out as a focal point of your home. Consider the window color and frame material. The color of your window frames plays a huge role in how your home looks from the outside. Depending on the architectural style of your home, you may want to go with a classic white frame for a clean, timeless look, or opt for bold colors like deep blue or black for a modern aesthetic. Dark-colored frames tend to add sophistication and contrast beautifully with lighter-colored exteriors, creating a more dynamic and eye-catching look. In addition to color, the material of your window frames can affect the overall appearance and longevity of your windows. Vinyl windows are popular for their low maintenance and affordability, while fiberglass and wood offer a more premium feel. Wooden frames, in particular, can add a natural, warm aesthetic, making them a great choice for homes in more traditional styles. Meanwhile, fiberglass frames are durable and energy efficient, making them ideal for those looking for both style and functionality. Choosing the right frame material and color can dramatically change the look of your home's exterior, adding depth and personality that will enhance your curb appeal. Clean and maintain your windows regularly. Once you've invested in beautiful, functional windows, regular maintenance is key to keeping them looking fresh and appealing. Clean windows not only make your home look well maintained but also allow natural light to flood your living spaces, making your home feel brighter and more inviting. Make it a habit to clean your windows every few months, especially if your home is near busy streets or has a lot of natural exposure to dust and pollen. Use a non-abrasive cleaner and a microfiber cloth to avoid scratching the glass or damaging the frames. For hard-to-reach windows, consider hiring professional cleaners to ensure that every surface is sparkling and streak-free. Maintaining your windows ensures that they remain in great condition for years to come and that your home continues to make a great first impression. Create symmetry and balance. When it comes to curb appeal, symmetry can be an important factor in making your home look balanced and visually appealing. Ensure that windows on the front of your home are evenly spaced and proportionate. For example, if your home features multiple stories, make sure the windows on both levels align for a cohesive and well-planned look. If you're replacing or updating windows, make sure that they match the size and layout of the existing windows, or opt for a design that enhances the overall architecture of your home. A well-thought-out, symmetrical window arrangement can bring a sense of harmony and elegance to your home's exterior, significantly improving its curb appeal. Conclusion: the right windows can transform the exterior of your home in Tysons, adding both beauty and function. By choosing windows that complement your home's architectural style, enhancing energy efficiency, adding stylish details, and keeping them well maintained, you can significantly increase your home's curb appeal. Whether you're updating the windows as part of a renovation or preparing your home for sale, upgrading your windows is a smart investment that can elevate your home's aesthetic and value for years to come.